If you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. The open road doesn't wait for approval. It rewards action. Vietnam's winding mountain passes, roaring rivers, and endless horizons are yours to claim when you dare to ride. Out here, the only permission you need is the rumble of your engine and the courage to twist the throttle. Follow us